Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a topic of paper genetics, and the topic is cytoplasmic inheritance. While working on a plant Mirabilis zelappa, a scientist named Carl Correns in 1909 reported for the first time that it is not only the nucleus which is involved in inheritance. It is not only the nuclear DNA, nuclear chromosomes, which carries informations, which carries characteristics from parents to their offspring. It is the cytoplasm which is also involved in the inheritance of some of the characters in the offspring. And this was a very new finding at that time, and it was a very clear cut one exception against Mendel's principle. So while further working on the Mirabilis zelappa, he proved that there are certain cellular organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast which carries their own DNA. They have their own chromosome, they have their own DNA with them, and these DNA has certain number of genes, and those genes control various characters. So he found that while inheritance, the genes which are present inside the mitochondrial DNA are getting expressed in the case of Mirabilis zelappa, which we can see here with this pictorial diagram. Now, what were the characteristic features he observed? The main characteristic feature of cytoplasmic inheritance he observed was it is present in both males and females, and it is usually inherited from one parent, usually the maternal parent. Third important characteristic feature he observed that it is during reciprocal crosses it gives different results, and the fourth one he observed was it exhibit extensive phenotypic variations. So these were the four different characteristic features of cytoplasmic inheritance Carl Correns observed in 1909. Now, taking it further, this cytoplasmic inheritance, generally what happens during the course of fertilization, the male sperms fertilizes the female egg. While fertilizing, it is the egg which has both its haploid nucleus as well as some cytoplasmic part with it. That cytoplasm has egg cytoplasm has its mitochondria, or if in the case of plant may has its some of its cellular organelle, cytoplasmic organelle like chloroplast is with them. So when the sperm fertilizer or the pollen grain fertilizes such egg with some cytoplasm, it forms zygote. Now the zygote has the mitochondrial as well as maybe the chloroplast DNA with them, and in course of development of the zygote further till embryo, the mitochondrial or chloroplastic character also get inherited to the offspring.